Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. At ayan, nag-grocery ako for, for my store. At ready na naman ang nanay mo. Nanay nyo. Ang cute na si Rod. Siyempre, nanay na talaga ako. Dahil siyempre, mayroon akong anak sa Denmark. Ang ganda pakinggan, no? Denmark. Ayun, at Diyos ko, promises about my, pension. They said that June from, in 17 days, money is arrived. Yeah. Gosh, lumanding na yung eroplano araw-araw. Walang nalanding sa bangko ko pension. Pension ko, guys. Pension ko. Mukhang gusto pa yata talagang ipatulpo, pero hayaan mo lang. Give them a chance. Yeah, take your time, to make shit. Yeah. And honest is, you know what you're doing. You're making a shit and then panic. Panic how to hide. Yeah. Honest is, ang bait-bait nyo talaga. Yeah, sobrang bait nyo. Binibigyan nyo ako ng trabaho to come back to my bank. Hoping that you can embarrass me, but I raise my flag, Filipino, proud Filipino, not cheater, not unfaithful wife, solid. At saka nga pala, Diyos ko, hindi ka ba nahihiya? Diyos ko, nagmi-meeting kayo sa tenga ko, araw-araw, ng pensyon ko, na wala naman kayong nahulog kahit 5 duling. Hello! It's my pension. And I can ask help to Sir Rapi Tolpo to get it. Denmark, take your time. Yeah, I will give you 1 year. Yeah. To slap to your face how idiot you are. Anis is, it's not a games. Yeah. It's over. If you want a games, in the other person, not me, okay? Because, my time is very important. And if you said that June 5 is coming to my account, June 5 is ready already. It's June 10 na. I will give you another 5 days, yeah, or 7 days, yeah. I will go back to bank, yes. Who do you think is look stupid? Me? Asking if my pension is coming or not? Or you're just, clapping your head like that. Be proud that you can cheat me in my pension, haha. Ito Denmark, haha. Denmark, alam mo kahit kailan gagawa kayo ng gulo tapos hindi nyo alam kung paano kayo mag-hide. Hindi nyo alam kung paano nyo itago ang kahihiyan nyo. You love to make trouble. Trouble is real, Denmark. Denmark, wake up! Pension, Denmark! It's June 10 now. 17 days back. You said that money is coming. Wake up! Do your job!